to another lock tutorial. My name is Shataria. If you are new to my channel, I normally do natural hair videos and lifestyle stuff. This is my fiance. He's been locked for about, I think, 3 or 4 years. I'm not sure, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys this hairstyle that I've been doing on his hair because it's so quick and easy. I'm not the best at explaining, but hopefully you can clearly see what I'm doing and it makes sense to you. I'm starting his hair on, I'm starting the style on freshly retwisted hair. I know it doesn't look like it, but he's a rough sleeper. I just retwisted his hair yesterday, and today is the day that I'm gonna be styling it for him. So what you do is you start with all your hair pulled to the back. I told him to tilt his head back like I was trying to rinse it off, and you just get a couple strands from each side and cross it over. I know that may sound confusing, but just looking at it, it looks a lot easier. So literally all you're gonna do all the way to the end is grab a 1, 2, 3, however many you want to grab locks and cross them over each other. And every time you cross it over, you want to hold them in the middle so that it doesn't slip down. Actually ended up redoing this for the pictures that you're going to see at the end because it wasn't as tight as I wanted it to be. My advice to you is don't pull it too tight up top because it'll cause a lot of tension on the roots and the edges of the hair. So pull the front a little loose, but as you go down, pull it tighter or the hair is just going to fall out of the fishtail. I made the sections a little bit bigger on the second go round. I didn't record that because I felt it would have been repetitive, but all I did was grab like 4 or 5 strands at a time instead of 2 or 3 like you see me doing here. You'll notice that when you get closer to the bottom of your hair will start becoming shorter and shorter. So what I recommend for that is you kind of reach around to the nape of the hair and grab the longer pieces and wrap those around. And once you completely run out of long pieces, then you know you're done. You can't really do much more unless your hair is longer than his and it goes down. I recommend you go all the way down if you can, but if not, then just secure it with the hair tie like you see me doing. And the reason I use bobby pins is to get some of those ends that keep sticking out, and that way it'll last them a little bit longer. And you see, this hairstyle is so easy to do. It doesn't take long to redo if you have any issues with it. I ended up braiding his sides down. He's in the process of growing his sides out so that we can lock those up as well. So I just did a simple braid back on both sides and connected them in the back with a rubber band. and I'll just be redoing that until his hair is long enough to lock. His problem area is the back of his hair, the back of his neck. That hair right there is a little bit shorter than the hair on the sides, so I feel like the hair on the sides is ready to lock, but the hair in the back is not quite there. These pictures are just showing you exactly what I just said, the braids on the sides, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week.